If you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel yet again. If you're new, my name is Keona Janae, the dopest YouTuber in 2020, period. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like to purchase this shirt, then you can go on my website at www.houseofglambyke.com. Now, as you can see, I am marking off the shirt where I want to cut it to make the crop top. So the next step is to cut the shirt down the middle to create the safety pin look. Now that the middle is cut, we are going to mark off wherever that we want the safety pins to sit. Now that we lined up the markings, the next step is to cut the shirt in little tiny holes where you marked it off at. I'm sorry I did not get it on camera. I didn't have the right angle, but you just want to fold it in half and cut teeny weeny holes in it. But really, you might not need to cut the hole. The next part is adding the eyelets. Now, I did use E6000 glue to ensure that these eyelets stay in. It was giving me a hard time, so I did use the E6000 glue. But there are plenty of videos to show you how to add eyelets or grommets, and you can check other videos out on YouTube. So this is the final product. I hope you guys love it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do not forget to shop houseofglambyke.com to purchase this shirt in sizes small to 3X. Thank you guys. Bye.